Welcome to the first virtual assembly for 2022, and welcome to a brand new school year. We are the student leaders and we will be your hosts for today, this assembly. I'm Jada, and I would like to introduce Tyra, Archer, and Marley. Welcome, girls. Over to you, Tyra.
Thanks, Jada. How good is it to be back at school? It has been great catching up with friends and meeting our new teachers. Our school looks so fresh too. The buildings have been painted, and the new Australian Anthem labels are awesome. Archer, to help us start assembly, would you mind sharing the acknowledgement with us, please?
Whitfield State School acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land from across Queensland and pay our respects to the elders past, present and emerging, for they hold the memories, the traditions, the culture and hope of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples across the state. I would now like you to respectfully stand for the National Anthem. My name is Marley and I would like to introduce our principal, Mr. Thompson. Welcome to Assembly, Mr. Thompson.
Hi everyone, welcome back it's finally the start of school. It's been a really disrupted start, but we're here now and we're ready to get going. Unfortunately for the next few weeks we won't be coming all together for our assemblies, but it won't be very long before we are, and I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody shining happy faces and celebrating student behaviour and performance together on assembly again. Can I say a huge welcome to all of our new students, all of our preppies. It was fantastic to have some fun yesterday and for our first day and really celebrate that milestone. Hope you enjoyed the jumping castle and the parachute and the party food. So a huge welcome to those new students in prep and the new students across our school who are joining us for the first time. A few new staff as well, and make sure that you're making both those new students and those new staff feel welcome. You can see behind us, we've done some painting over the holidays, some new signage, so it should be easier to find where your classroom is, and remember where your classroom is, because we're starting to paint the buildings in the colours of our habitat, and then the signage matches with the animals. So hope you're enjoying those. Remember our 3 R's: be respectful, be responsible, be resilient. Particularly, it's important that we are responsible over the next few weeks with our hygiene practices, making sure we're washing our hands really regularly, making sure if we can, and we're in grade 3 to 6 particularly, when we're able to, we wear a mask when we need to. As I said, washing our hands, covering our coughs and our sneezes and things, and if we're sick or unwell, we need to stay home. The other responsibility I think that's important at this time of the year is, if you see someone who's new to our school, make sure you reach out and be a really good friend. Make sure that you include them in new games. Make sure that they feel really welcome in our Whitfield family. That's all for me this week. As I said, really looking forward to catching up with everyone across the school this week and in the next few weeks, and hopefully not too long before we're back together in assemblies. See ya.
Coming up next is the Students of the Week. Next week is Library Lovers Week. What a good choice, as Monday is Valentine's Day. The theme for this week is Share the Love. So next week, we will be celebrating the value role that the libraries play in our lives. And Mrs. Ryan has selected 5 books the classes can share. Teachers can check it out on the display in the LRC when you come visit next week. Psst! My favourite book is It's a Book. Remember to read that one next week.
Good morning, Whitfield students, and welcome back to 2022. It's an exciting year ahead for the PBL team, and we have got lots of really exciting things coming up for you. Just a quick reminder, wellbeing message for you about our triple R's around Whitfield State School. For those new students, you'll be seeing lots of these words being mentioned in your classes and lots of new lessons around these as well. Remember, when we're walking around our school and talking to each other, we're using respect, we are being responsible for our behaviour and our choices that we're making, and we are being resilient. We're having a go at all things, even if we find them just that little bit too hard. Your teachers will be spending a lot of time practicing routines around the school, how to line up, how to walk through the school, and of course we want to see everyone being as safe as they possibly can. Hope you're having a really fantastic start to your year, and we'll see you soon.
Tuesday next week we have our exciting academy pitches for the grades 4s, 5s and 6s. Each class in these grades will watch an energising pitch from each academy teacher. Students then make a choice to join their preferred academy for 2022. Some auditions will take place in week 5, and then a list of students selected in each academy will be displayed in the undercover area near the tuck shop Monday in week 6. Good luck, and let the academies begin.
Thanks for watching our virtual assembly today. But before we go, here are some important reminders. 1. Please stay safe and cover your coughs and sneezes. 2. If you're feeling unwell, let your parents and carers know. And 3. In a world where you can be anything, be kind.